Hello everyone, welcome to today's video, and today we have Cheyenne, Johnny, and Miro, and today we are going to talk about getting back in shape and getting back into the saddle and also being able to find your balance. First of all, we're going to talk about refinding your balance. Okay, once you've had any kind of body trauma and you're starting back again, you need to realign and find where everything is going to be. So you want your shoulder, your hip, and your heel in line. Now you're going to want to push your weight down into your heel, grip with your knee and the inside of your thigh, and be able to stand up, keep the shoulders back, and then sit down. Now, while you're doing this, your hands are going to try to keep the pinky on the blanket and try to keep your hands straight. So stand up, and you want to tilt your pelvis forward just a little bit until you find that good balance point. So ready? Now we're going to stand for just a short period of time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's try to go for 5. All right, remember, you haven't done this in a really long time. I want you to concentrate on standing. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and gently sit back down. So the first step is basically finding that balance point before we even start walking. So when you're trying to get back in shape, the best thing to do is honestly just get on the lunge line and walk small circles and work on getting your balance back. So we're going to do our basic exercise where you're going to stand in the saddle. I'm going to count to 5 and then you're going to sit down, okay? So you're going to stand. I want you to push those pinkies down to the blanket and try to hold those hands. You're going to squeeze and stand. Push your weight down into your heels and try to stand for 5. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, up. Let's keep going until you can hit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. See, just getting 5 takes a while. And that's the whole thing. You need to be ready to go slow. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and sit. And just being able to hold that for a short period of time is going to help. Let's get over here where it's nice and nice and straight. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and sit. Next time you come up, try to put pinkies on the blanket. Ready? And 1, 2, 3. Whoops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and sit. Sit back, say whoa, sit with your seat. Try not to pull until we've stopped. So basically, you're going to build these muscles really slowly. And that means just standing, being able to tilt your pelvis forward and find that balance point for little short periods of time. Every day, you're going to work yourself up from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 10 to 20 to all the way around to 2 times around, 3 times. It's a gradual building process. Thank you so much for joining us on today's video. And if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And remember, to see more, check out our playlists.